Hi, we're here at EBADay TV, and today I'm talking with Peter Lightfoot of Royal Bank of Scotland. So how important is EBADay now in the European payments calendar?
It's getting more important every year. There's definitely a trend that some of the conferences are just almost cashing in on the liquidity boom almost. But certainly EBADay, if you look at the attendee list, there's getting more and more senior people all the time. It's looking good. It's looking more interesting.
I think we have record-breaking attendance now right at the moment. So.
Well, I think it's interesting that sort of sponsors, exhibitors, there's more of both of those coming all the time. And that shows that that's a very positive for the event.
The banking industry has its fair share of regulations to pay attention to. Everyone's talking about Basel III right at the moment in terms of liquidity and, more importantly, intraday liquidity. How is the industry dealing with this right at the moment?
The industry is doing a great job looking at liquidity from a wider perspective. As yet, Basel III haven't really concentrated much on the intraday side. That's the piece, though, that they're about to bring out their papers now. They've got some new metrics we're suspecting are on the way. So it's very important that the industry mobilises and is ready to get going for when the consultation period comes out. We're ready to get in there and make some comments to them about it.
Basel III is going to be a fair amount of debate. You know, in addition to Basel III, what do you think is going to lead to a lot of heated discussions among delegates at this year's EBADay?
I think there's one of our senior MDs, Kevin Brown, is talking about Basel III. That's going to be very interesting. Kevin is one of the ones within RBS. We've set up a SWIFT working group recently to help look at intraday from a global perspective, looking at the messaging that is coming out, making sure we can get some standardisation. So there's a lot of work going on within RBS that we're also trying to push out to the rest of the market around, you know, the data that we're going to need. Let's try and do this as efficiently as a market that is possible. It's going to hit us all. The FSA in the UK are further down the line than pretty much anyone else. So it's you know, we're being hit by it. We can share these experiences. We can drive other central banks to help provide the data we need for regulators. We can provide it for our customers. It's a great opportunity as well for the vendors as well to understand what's coming.
So Basel III, liquidity, and of course intraday liquidity, those are the three things that EBADay delegates are going to be talking about this year.
They certainly are, yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Okay, thanks.